So I broke my camera. Like, it's almost like the feeling like when I first came to Japan. Oh. Ow. And now I'm back in Akihabara. Which was the place that I was in last video, doing the arcade, retro arcades. Now I'm going to see if I can get my camera fixed for less than $100 because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend money. Yeah, I'm currently filming on a DSLR and I usually with my normal camera, I don't know like if you guys have seen it or not, like the screen flips around, I can see myself, where with this camera I can't see shit. Once again, I'm not sick. There's two reasons that I wear a mask, and there's only one reason that I wear a black mask. The black mask is just to cover my face because it's not that appealing. White masks I'll wear if I'm sick or if I'm cold. Second-hand camera shop along Akihabara, and I'm pretty sure he fixes cameras. So we'll go check that out, see if he can fix my shit for me. This DSLR is so much heavier than my little freaking vlogging camera. Oh, we got some cosplayers up here. Holy heck, she must be cold. I know this is supposed to be a video about me fixing my camera, but this girl's got like no pants on. Like zero pants. Oh yeah. Oh, they're all cosplayers, are they? See, I wouldn't even know if you'll be able to see this. Well, I'll just go take a photo. Hey, honey. Did you see my eyes? Like, they sparkled. The funny thing is, like, everyone else can see what I'm recording because as I'm walking towards people, they can see my screen, but I can't see it. They could have stopped recording. Let me just... Oh no, it's still recording. This is your first time seeing one of my videos. The name's Isaiah. I go by I'm Sparkzz on the YouTubes, and I make videos about my life in Japan. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of Jan, which will be 2 days from when this is uploaded. So if you haven't, please subscribe. It will help a lot. You know, it makes me feel better about myself because no one likes me. Camera market. Camera market, I'll turn it around. Hi, do you fix cameras or only sell?
No,
only sell. Do you have Panasonic Lumix GF7?
No, right now, no.
No?
Maybe you can find outside maybe 1-2 pieces.
He doesn't want me recording on there, that's why he sent me outside. This is similar to the one that I have. Similar. I haven't seen an iPod Touch in a couple of years. This is the camera that I was originally going to get before I got my Panasonic Lumix. And they were the same price. Lamau, do you want to get your ears cleaned in Japan for $20? Do you want to get your ears cleaned for $20 in Japan? Because you can't clean them yourself. You gotta come to a shop in Akihabara. Makes no sense. I don't know. I don't think I could ever sit there and have somebody fondle my ears. Oh, was it not focused? It wasn't focused, was it? Wait. Let's have a look in this shop. Nothing! Hi. So I just got this, you probably can't see because it's in the bag, but I got a micro SD card because I bought a GoPro Hero 4 because upgrades. I bought the GoPro the day before, 2 days before I broke my vlogging camera. Which kind of sucks, but it only cost me like $200, so, and it came with like every GoPro accessory you can think of. Just make sure that I'm in focus. Yes, have a look down here. As you know, Akihabara, anime figures everywhere. I hope this is still in focus, man. I'm extending my arm as far as I possibly can. Because I don't know how. Yes, I'm ducking because that's how low the roof is. There's no camera shop down here. How fun! Just before well, not just before, like 5 minutes before I slipped down the stairs and dropped my camera. No, not 5 minutes before. I'm getting my times wrong. The day after I fell and dropped my camera, I was like, the snow was really bad, so I had to shovel like the snow to like clear way. You know what I mean. I was shoveling, and like this massive blob of snow fell from the top floor of our apartment and like whacked me on the back of my neck to the point where I couldn't even look right. Like my head wouldn't move right. I could only look left. It was so sore. But I went and got it checked up, and apparently it was only bruising. I'm pretty sure some shit was broken. This is the only camera store I've ever been to that sells alcohol. But now apparently it's called a digital camera. A digital camera. No. Focus on my face, please. Alright, it should be focused. Just stop spinning. Look at this. Look. Yep, thanks Japan. Thank you very much. Oh, I need to go on. Oh, thank you Japan. Thank you very much. And it's funny because half of these Japanese people can actually fit underneath it. I still think these are like the coolest things, even though they're like pretty basic. It's the it's those touch panel vending machines. I still think they're pretty cool. They're old as hell here. Like everyone like probably used one. It's come to Japan, but I still think it's cool. Sorry if it keeps focusing on my face. This is just me talking to the camera because I got not what to say. This footage will never be used. Uniqlo. Let's go have a look at Uniqlo. Uniqlo's over there. The only good thing about this camera is that it's got decent zoom on it. That's Uniqlo. Oh, there it is. There it is. Can this light be green already? And focus. So it snowed on Tuesday. It snowed like earlier on in the week, and that's how I broke. Thanks, train. And that's how I broke my camera. Was because I was vlogging. I was like, the clip should be at the beginning of this vlog. You probably should have already seen it. But I was vlogging, and I wasn't really vlogging. I was just recording something like the snow was so cool. The first time I'd experienced something like that, and like. I knew the stairs were there, okay? I saw the stairs, but I thought I'll be right. I just walked down the stairs like I normally do, and bang, slip. But yeah, what I was gonna say is, like, the snow was like ugly as, like, look, can you see that? The snow is so ugly now, it's like, it's just little piles, focusing. It's just little piles, like, next to poles and stuff now. It's not even snow, ice. If I went to go kick that, it would break my leg. That is the smallest Uniqlo I've ever seen in my life, feel much. But I'm gonna go show you some dirt cheap clothes. Sports clothes to be exact. I'll probably leave here with my wallet empty when I shouldn't. So like what they do is they just have, I'll show you. They just have like massive piles of clothes like this. And everything's like 1,000 yen or 2,000 yen, which is like really cheap, like $10, $20. In here, like it looks like your normal like flea market kind of shop, but it's like all Adidas and Puma and Nike. Holy, that's cool. I wonder how old that is. It's All Blacks in New Zealand. That's only 5,000 yen.
Right.
Adidas running jacket. $15. If only I was a female. Focus. Alright, so just left that shop that we did, yeah, that one. I got some Reebok track pants for the gym. Cost me like $25. Alright, can't help myself when I get some fruit. Even though I always get it when I get it. Comment down below which fruit I should get. Just kidding, I'm gonna get pineapple. Pineapple because it's the cheapest. Oh, that is a box. Alright, I'm gonna focus myself first. Because wouldn't it suck if I brought pineapple on a stick and then I recorded myself eating it and then it wasn't a focus?